who create a riot and then say हमको तो कुछ पता ही नहीं जी, हम तो आइडियोलॉजिकल बातें कह रहे हैं, लोगों ने लोगों को मारा, हमको क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? हमने एसिड बॉम्ब फेंका नहीं फेंका, हमने सिर्फ भड़काया. Today they are shaking in their boots as the Tukde gang is in jail. Implications with Sanju Verma. Debate is hot tonight. I'll open the calls as well now. Yes, Sanju.
Thank you. Arnab, I just want to focus on one very important thing. You know, today, what did the Supreme Court say? Though your channel has been covering the story non-stop. The Supreme Court said Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam do not surpass the bar under section 43D5 of the UAPA. And then the Supreme Court also said, very importantly, I think this is one of the first of its kind, where the Supreme Court said a terrorist act also constitutes disruption of public infrastructure and disruption of essential services. So basically the Supreme Court said that Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam have been a threat to society, and a threat to society can arise even if you do not individually engage in physical violence. Did Sharjeel Imam and Umar Khalid mastermind the Shaheen Bagh riots? Did they mobilize the crowds? Were they involved in organizing the strategic direction of the Shaheen Bagh riots? The answer to all these questions is yes. But taking off from what Arnab said about the Tukde gang and even the Lutyens Lashkar gang, which is a terminology made famous by Arnab, let me say that while Umar Khalid, the likes of Sharjeel Imam need to be condemned unequivocally, let's not forget people who petitioned the Supreme Court saying Umar Khalid is innocent. There is a man called A.S. Dullat who enjoyed the highest perks of power under the Congress-led UPA dispensation. There's a man called Shafi Alam. He was the former DG of the NCRB. There is a man called Mohinder Pal Aulak, the former DGP of Punjab. There is a man internationally very famous as a war author, Noam Chomsky. Then you have Amitav Ghosh. You have Salman Rushdie. They have all at some point or the other petitioned the highest judiciary in India asking for Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam to be set scot-free. And I'm so glad that our courts have cracked the whip and done what needed to be done without bowing to the so-called radical Islamist lobby, both at home and abroad. And my final point is this, Arnab. I can see that you have an Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson on your show. Never forgive, Arnab, that it was Tahir Hussain. He was then an Aam Aadmi Party councillor from Ward number 59 from Nehru Nagar in East Delhi. He was also one of the masterminds, and for the longest time, Arvind Kejriwal refused to give approval for Umar Khalid and Sharjeel Imam to be prosecuted under section 16, 17 and 18 of the UAPA because state government's approval is also needed. But finally, Kejriwal yielded to media pressure. Kejriwal yielded to the public outrage. And I want to ask, the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, Tahir Hussain, was anointed as Bhagat Singh. Your Manish Sisodia said, हमारे ताहिर हुसैन तो शहीद भगत सिंह जैसे हैं, इन पर भला कोई लांछन कैसे लगा सकता है? And I can see Mr. Pulla Rao on your panel. Mr. Pulla Rao talks about failure of state intelligence, but this is the same Mr. Pulla Rao. When I was on a debate with him a few months back, he was actually shedding copious tears for Basava Nimbala Rao, the Naxalite who was neutralized by our armed forces, saying, oh, you know, but Basavaraj Nimbala Rao actually was a very brilliant student. He was an engineer.
I think your memory is failing.
He was a Naxalite.
Your memory
yes,
is failing.
you supported him.
Your
yes,
memory
you supported
is
him.
You with
so my problem is with politics. Please wait for your turn.
Your memory is failing
my
you.
problem is with politicians and political analysts who want India to become a soft state.
Your memory is
my problem is with politicians who were hailing Umar Khalid as the next
wrong.
of the brown bread. Why you rattled?
Your memory
Why
is
you
wrong.
rattled? Why you blabbering?
I never defended
Why
him.
you blabbering? It's not your
I
turn
never
to
defended
speak.
him. You're wrong. Just because you
No,
can shout doesn't
you were
mean they are-
supporting Naxalites.
No,
I
no,
urge
who are you
Arnab
to question
Goswami
my
to
support?
take that clip
Who are
out.
you? Who are you?
You said, why are
living in a glass
Naxalites
house?
being
Who are you
neutralized?
to pontificate?
And you have the
What are
audacity
you to
now to
pontificate?
question me.
What are you
I
to
have a better
pontificate?
memory than you.
Are you the bishop
I have a
here?
great
Are you the
memory.
bishop giving a sermon?
You are a terror
You're giving
apologist.
a sermon.
You are a
Discuss
Naxal
politics.
apologist.
Discuss politics.
Condemn
Don't give
Umar
sermons.
Khalid.
Don't
If you have
give
the guts,
sermons.
condemn Umar Khalid. You will
Don't
not do
give
that.
sermons.
Condemn
You're
Sharjeel
sermonizing.
Imam. You will not
You're
do that.
sermonizing.
Condemn Tahir
You're
Hussain.
sermonizing.
You will not do
You're
that.
sermonizing.
But you will
You're
question
sermonizing.
India's judiciary.
You are sermonizing.
You have the audacity
You're
to
real fit
question
for that.
India's armed
You can't
forces,
sermonize.
but you will
You
not
live in a
question
glass house.
white-collar
You can't
terrorists.
sermonize. What are you sermonizing?
whom
What are
we
you
lost
sermonizing about?
53
You're not a
lives in the
speech,
Shaheen
not
Bagh
an
riots.
analysis. You're using
You
this
are the
pulpit
same lot
to sermonize. You're
which
not a
actually
sermonizer.
said,
Don't
oh,
sermonize.
why should we
Don't
blame
sermonize.
Dr. Umar Nabi
You're
for the Red
unfit.
Fort blast?
You're unfit.
You're the same
You're
lot
unfit to
which
sermonize.
actually petitioned
Let
the Supreme
Anmol
Court
also
saying
come in. See,
young
Anmol.
women should not be
Anmol,
hanged.
Anmol, I think the,
sermonize.
I think the,
Don't sermonize.
You have sympathy for
I think
young
the
women.
lesson
You
for
have sympathy
the lesson,
for Basavaraj
the lesson
Limbala
for
Rao.
everyone here is, I think the important thing is that regime change. America wants regime change. I am not going to say a few things.
Even Kejriwal wants
I
regime
am
change.
not going to
But
say.
Kejriwal is irrelevant now.
I am not.
Kejriwal is irrelevant now.
Let me complete.
Even a Yogendra Yadav wants regime change. So it's not going to happen. अभी तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है. नरेंद्र मोदी 2029 में भी आएंगे. There is no vacancy for the prime minister's post.
I am not going to 1 minute.
2034 में भी बीजेपी आएगी. शांत हो जाओ. ध्यान से सुनो. So if you have any plans for regime change, please throw them out of the window.
2094 में भी आएगी.
Okay, now the question.
2034 में भी आएगी, 4034 में भी
मनीष
आएगी.
सिसोदिया खुद की सीट हार गए. थोड़ी शर्म करो. केजरीवाल lost his own seat. in the Delhi
5034 में भी
election.
आएगी.
Your Manish Sisodia lost his own seat. Saurabh Bhardwaj lost his own seat.
6034
And you have a
में
smirk
भी
on your
आएगी.
face. Why do you have that stupid smirk on your face when all your top brass was booted out of Delhi Assembly elections by the
Can
Janata
I
of Delhi?
respond, Arnab
And you
ji,
have
now?
a stupid
Can I
smirk on
respond?
your face? Why? हार चुके दिल्ली के चुनाव.
अच्छा, थोड़ा
और
पानी पी लो
पंजाब
पहले.
में
Have some
तहस
water.
नहस हो जाएगी
Have some
आपकी
water.
सरकार. Come 2027, you will lose Punjab also.
Oh,
So don't
oh.
have that stupid smirk on your
चुनाव
face.
चोर बता रहे हैं. The ones who steal elections.
If you have the
The
guts
ones who
to
steal
condemn
elections
Umar
on
Khalid,
camera.
do you have the guts to condemn Umar
वोट चोर
Khalid?
बता रहे
No.
हैं.
Do you have the guts to
लोकतंत्र के
condemn
डकैत बता
Sharjeel
रहे
Imam?
हैं.
No.
The
Do you
murderers
have
of
the guts to
democracy are
condemn
telling
something
this.
like a Yaqub Memon who was given capital punishment? No. Your heart
respond?
bleeds for radical Islamists.
Can I just come in for a
Your
minute
heart
and ask
bleeds for radical
Sanju?
Islamists.
Sanju, I have a
Shame
question
on-
for
शर्म आनी चाहिए तुमको.
Anmol. Anmol, listen. Savio is on. I'm just going to ask.